Okay, when I had put these things on, you see they circle them in red, and I only had to do what, 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and I had 9. I thought that I didn't see this little circle, so that goes right there. Okay, so actually they gave me exactly enough. There's only one left, so it wasn't an oversight, or it wasn't a case of them sending extra. So I'm gonna go ahead and, I guess that's to hold the cable there, which I don't know. Oh no, there's 2. Actually, the bag had 2, so they did send one extra, which is nice, always to have an extra. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this here. That was easy to miss. All right, there we go. So with that, I would go ahead and I guess take a tie. And so the reason I noticed, because I was going through the instruction again, and let's see if I can find it, where they tell you to tie, yes. So where they tell you to tie everything down, and they had mentioned, like there was like the tie downs and all that, and they put this thing. So what am I seeing here? It looks like the only thing they're tying down, what are they tying down? I mean, I can barely see. Okay, it looks like they're even doing the cables. Okay. All right, everything's getting tied down except for this thing right here, this big thing. But these little cables even go through there. It looks like. Yep. But this guy does not get tied down. I don't care if it gets tied down or not, but if it doesn't, it doesn't, so that's life. All right, so I'll grab these guys and this guy, and we're gonna go for the tie down. You go this way. Okay, and later on I'll snip all this and I'll have it face a little bit more different direction, maybe face this way. But anyways, it'll get snipped. And all right, just wanted to show, you know, sometimes you forget things, so it's good go back through your manual and check that everything's there. So that's tied down now. All right. I did notice there was a problem with this thing. I hope they come out with a better version, or I'll have to buy something. These are tight. See, if you pull on them, they're really tight. But as soon as you do a little angle on it, it comes out. So that's a terrible design, unless I'm doing something wrong. And it's for both of them, like this one too. I think it's this way. Well, this one's not, oh, there it is. It just comes out. And I'm not even pulling, like I'm just pushing side to side. So the one in the back with the little cables doesn't do that. But this does, and so I'm worried. I'd like to just, what I don't want to happen is, so you see it's in there tight. You can see it's in there deep. What I don't want to happen is, you know, the thing's moving around and then the spindle loses power and the thing keeps moving and dragging and ripping across whatever. And who knows what damage it can do. But here again, it's nice and tight. They're both tight. But you just go down like that. It's just changing your angle. So this is really bad because obviously this thing's going to be going up and down all the time. So the idea that the angle, the little just slight angle change, you know, like if there was a better way, but they don't show a better way of connecting it. Like if this thing didn't move at all, then that probably wouldn't happen. But this is going to move up and down, and so it's going to move these cables. So there's a concern there.